Wow.
Oh, you excited?
Yes. Very excited.
Very nice. Let's go!
Let's go!
Dennis wants to buy a Supra, but what the seller didn't tell us on the phone was the car has a blown head gasket. Which we found out testing the coolant after driving 3.5 hours to a different country. Anyways, Dennis bought a Supra!
Dankeschön. What up?
Gekauft.
Ah ja, sicher, da hat gekauft.
Hallo!
Geil. Hallo!
Tell me, what do you think?
Freshly baked new owner from a Toyota Supra. Lots of things to do, like head gasket, timing belt, everything. Yeah, make it fresh, new inspection. From the basic, it's very good. Hinten kann kein Arsch sitzen. Es ist immer wie als hättest du besser keine Beine. So, dann ist es kein Cabrio, also auch für die meisten Leute total unnütz. Einfach so, umso unnützer irgendwas ist mit Verbrennungsmotor, umso besser ist es einfach. Nein, sowas können wir nicht auf unserem Channel machen, das ist not polite. Wir kriegen keinen environmentally friendly Content. Die Emotionen, die du hast, halt, wenn du jetzt dir einen modernen M3 kaufst oder sonst irgendwas, so, du packst das Ding auf den Anhänger, guckst dir das an. Das ist ein super cooles Auto, definitiv. Energiegeladen und alles, aber wenn du jetzt hier einfach mal in den Rückspiegel guckst und schaust dir das Auto an und ja, das sind ganz andere Emotionen, die dir dieses Auto vermittelt. Das ist einfach so die Retro-Vibes, du dieses Gefühl hast, einfach Miami-Vice und GTA Vice City, einfach so die Kindheit wieder aufleben lassen. Das, was du damals cool gefunden hast und die Musik, einfach so dieser ganze Lebensstil, der da mitschwingt, das kann dir nur ein altes Auto geben. 3, 2, 1. Oder sollen wir die Dämpfer erst tauschen?
Welche Dämpfer?
Die Dämpfer.
3, 2, 1, let's go!
So, hello guys. I will show you the current state of the car. Yesterday we dismount the head from the car. I will show you this here. So you see here the head. We dismount on this side the intake side, and on this side the exhaust and turbo and everything. And now we take a look on the gasket side here. Yeah, the head has to be machined. You see here the marks from the head gasket. Yeah, they had to be gone, so the sealing is right. Then after, also on the block, we need to clean the surface here and a little bit from the pistons and everything. And after that, we'll take a look if this is straight also. And yeah, when the head is machined, then we can reassemble everything and try the first start. Yesterday was a little bit disappointing. After disassembling, we had a little problem on this side here. There's a knock sensor from the 5th cylinder. There's also a knock sensor on the tube. Normally the sensor had to look like this. Sadly now it looked like this.
So what's the next step?
Next step is to disassembling the head now. Take out the cams and everything so it can be machined. After that the valves need to be reinstalled and drilled and everything. Cleaned a little bit. It's also 35 years old, the car, so it's not gonna be like brand new, but so you can say this is okay for me and looks clean. Now when we disassemble the head, we had to wait until the head is machined, so I need a place here in the workshop, so we had to take out the Supra, put it back into the garage, and then hopefully on Easter everything is ready so we can reassemble everything and hopefully it will start and going for the first ride. Here we had everything prepared for storing the engine. We put oil on every piston, pull it up and down, and then after it the place here we cover it with this plastic film so nothing will rust, no dust will come inside, so everything is fine for storing.